The people of this village are not so smart. We can hang on for some more time comfortably with all the food available here.
These villagers too have started planning projects in line with those executed in other villages.
This is the Malsiburi village. As in other villages, this village too is on the path of the transformation at a fast rate. The urban culture has slowly transformed the villagers who are lived as family into strangers and enemies. There are strong reasons that have contributed to this change.
Oh, mother, the crow has dirtied my dress. How it stinks.
It is not the feces of the crow. It's the head of a dead fish.
That stupid crow has dirtied my new dress.
The crow might have thought that your head is the dustbin. Okay, come, I will clean it up.
You greedy crow, when will you stop hogging?
The crow itself is not the real culprit here.
How many times have we warned you against discarding fish waste out here? We have warned you many times.
You always throw away from here.
He should be beaten up for this. How many times have we warned you against discarding fish waste out
Come,
here?
let us go. All are culprits for polluting our country.
Throws away the fish waste.
Mom, my dress is stinking. I wonder whom it was that I first saw today morning. The whole place is stinking. Dirty.
I have got used to all this.
Is this a company for foul smell?
Company? That is our fish market.
What market?
Yes, fish market.
Oh, fish market.
4 for 10, 4 for 10. 4 for 10, selling fish for reasonable price. 4 for 10, 4 for 10. Low cost, low cost, low cost. Cheap rate, cheap rate, cheap rate. 4 for 10, 4 for 10. Cheap rate, cheap rate. Fresh fish, fresh fish.
The flies around the fish will cause many diseases. Let us leave this place quickly.
How much does this fish cost?
4 fish for just rupees 10. All are fresh.
Are these from today's catch?
Of course. See, these are still alive.
Oh, these flies and dogs. Oh, come on, let us leave this place.
Oh, so you don't want fish? You said you like fish?
That's true, but I don't want from this place.
Okay, come. We shall search for a neat and hygienic place outside.
Mom, look at there. I think it is a fish stall.
But no stinking here. Anyway, we'll go inside and find out.
Good morning, please come. We have sardine, mackerel, alcovy, cyclosis, all are cleaned. Moreover, madam, this shop is recognized by the government. They ensure the quality standards before they are packed. And these fishes are all ready to be cooked.
Wow, then give me 2 kgs of mackerel. No need of cleaning. And nothing to dispose. What about the leftovers?
We get good income from the leftovers.
Money from the fish waste? Whom does this go to?
Fresh fish is collected right from the fishing boats, and the unusable parts of the fish are cut, cleaned, and the fish is packed in clean packets and sent to the fish stall like this one by a processing plant that has started functioning recently.
Who has initiated the project?
Oh, that. It was initiated by the CIFT, an organization under the central government, under the guidance of a research scientist. A value chain program has been designed for pelagic fishes as well as freshwater fishes. In short, this project has been initiated to ensure that quality fish is made available to the consumers as well as to prevent environmental pollution due to accumulation of fish wastage.
Wow, that's a good work. We can do shopping without stinking. But you didn't tell what you will do with the leftovers.
Oh, that. I will tell you that. Or else, why don't you join those ladies to see for yourself how this fish waste gets converted into money?
Mother, shall we?
Yes, something we have never seen in our village. Okay, let's go.
Mom, they're proceeding to the place where manure is made.
The waste collected in this manner is dumped into big buckets or tanks. Formic acid is immediately added into the fish waste at the rate of 35 ml per kg of fish wastage. This is then stirred well and is kept tightly closed for 2 to 3 days. This further gets converted into a thick paste called silage. Then coir pith is added to this silage. It is added in the ratio of 1 kg of coir pith for 1 kg of silage. This is then mixed well and dried in an electric dryer. This mixture brought in a bucket is filled into the many chambers of the dryer and dried well. The quality of the dried mixture is tested and is packed in a labeled packet and is ready for the market under the label Fertifish, which is a complete organic fertilizer.
Mom, not only it is organic, but it doesn't have any foul odor. Shall we buy one packet for my plants?
Of course, we shall buy a package. What a brilliant venture! Converting the fish leftovers into manure is a brilliant answer to the problems of waste management.
Mom, why can't we think about such projects in our village also?
This is the best project work from this class. Yet in addition to converting this fish waste to manure, there is something else that can be done to completely solve the problem of waste disposal. Reduce waste production. Don't laugh. What he just said is right. Stop the generation of waste.
While purchasing commodities like fish, why can't we buy cleaned and packed slices?
Yes, you are right.
It would be preferable to buy cleaned, sliced fish, and this should be practiced in our lives, and this should start from our homes. Don't you want to know whose project report this is? Meenu, please stand up. Poster designing, placard making. The next project work is on poster designing and placard making.
See, I had warned you. Awareness has dawned on these villagers too.
If the people of this village resort to utilization of the leftover waste from fish, we will have to go footless.
We will have to find an alternative.
If you insist on having the discarded fish waste, we will have to try our luck in the next village. Oh God, wonder. how many difficulties we will have to face to find some fish for food in future.